In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your board QR code in Trello. If you're using Trello to manage your projects, tasks, or collaborations, you might already know how versatile and user-friendly this platform is. But did you know that you can easily generate a QR code for your Trello board? This feature allows you to quickly share access to your board with your team, making it easier for everyone to stay connected and up to date. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to download your board's QR code and save it to your device. Let's get started. First, open your Trello board. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Trello account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. This is the board for which you'll be generating the QR code. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the menu icon that gives you access to extra options for your board. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. Once you've found it, click on it. This will bring up another menu with additional sharing features for your board. Next, click on the option that says Show QR Code. When you do this, Trello will automatically generate a QR code for your board and display it on the screen. This QR code can be scanned to quickly access the board, which is super handy for sharing with teammates or collaborators. Now, locate the download button. This is typically represented by a downward pointing arrow, and it should appear near the QR code on your screen. Once you've found it, click on the download button. Trello will save the QR code to your device as an image file, usually in formats like PNG or JPEG. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the QR code for your Trello board. You can now share it with your team or save it for future use. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.